everyone! Today we're doing some t-shirt weaving, so grab your scissors. For this tutorial you will need a piece of cardboard, a t-shirt, a ruler, a pair of sharp scissors, and something to mark your clothing with. First, turn your shirt inside out, then lay it down flat, backside up. Now grab your ruler and draw 2 parallel lines down the back of the shirt, starting at the shoulders. Trim off the bottom of the shirt or just the bottom seam, it's up to you. Then, grab the top layer of fabric in the center and fold the shirt there so that the seams are on top of each other in the center. Start to measure and mark out 2 centimeter wide sections down the edge of the shirt with the line. Then draw horizontal lines on all the marks from the edge of the shirt to the vertical line. Now, starting at the edge of the shirt, cut along all the horizontal lines, stopping at the vertical line. Fold your shirt back normally, backside up, then cut off the back of the collar. Make sure your cuts go all the way from one vertical line to the other, so make any adjustments. Now turn your shirt back inside in, lay it down flat backside up, and put your cardboard inside. Stretch all of the strands of fabric. Now it's time to weave. So grab your top strand of fabric, pull it down, then grab the second strand and pull it up through the first. Pull the second strand down and grab the third. Pull the third up through, down, and then grab the fourth. Continue this pattern all the way down. When you reach the bottom, cut the bottom loop in half and then tie each side at the base around the loop above it. Spread the pattern with your fingers, then start weaving a second time, just like the first. Then cut and tie at the bottom. Do at least one more set of weaving, but keep in mind the more sets you do, the tighter your shirt will be. Now trim the ends of all the cut loops, then adjust and spread your pattern with your fingers. And that's it! I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthodol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching!